information on how I think they hold up. Okay, so we're going to move to the next thing. The next unboxing, and this was from Tarte. It was just a few makeup items, and of course in the box you see this real pretty trim. So let's see, how do you get it out of here? Oh, break down beauty boundaries, be natural, and always be kind. Okay, I really don't like products that start making statements that almost sound political. So, alright Tarte, be cool. I'm really about their products, and I don't want to disagree with them on any other thoughts to the point that I don't want to use their products. So here, there's nothing wrong, by the way, with the concept of being kind to others, but I think there's probably a little more something behind it than that. But anyway, we'll leave it at that. So everything's in here, nicely done. It looks like they basically packaged it in tissue, their branded tissue, and then put it in a very pretty box. And that is kind of one of their common themes, the pink background with the palm branches. So that, or palm, it's some kind of a palm plant. Alright, so what did I get? I got the, this is the first time. I'm so tempted to take a makeup remover and try this. This is the Lip Plump Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump. And if I remember correctly, this is a lip oil. Let me see. Does it say? The Plumper. And I didn't look at ingredients, I'll be honest with y'all. Y'all know the brand Tarte. It's very easy to look this up anywhere. So, the color that I got, this is what it looks like. It's kind of a copper rose gold with white. And on the end, this is the color Tulip, is what I got. So let's see. How does it look? No, that's actual. Okay, it pumps up. So you click on the bottom till it comes up. Is it coming up? Yes, but very slowly. I can't tell. I want to feel it. It's very creamy. But I can tell you right now, it's regular lipstick. So I don't know if that's going to fare well with the way that I don't like lipstick to bleed down over the day. In other words, it's got to be permanent for me. So why did I do this? It says it's a plumper, so if by the end of this, if my lips are out to here, we know it works. I'm just kidding. But we'll see how it works, because that is part of why I got it. I feel something immediately in the middle of my tongue. The fact that that traveled all the way to my tongue is kind of amazing. I don't know if that's a good thing. Anyway, alright, this is Antioxidant Concealer from Tarte C. I have on concealer, but I may put on more. You just never know what I'm going to do. This is what it looks like. Nice fat concealer. I wonder if there's as much product in there, because that is wide for concealer. Y'all know that. Most concealer isn't that wide. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of that. Alright, I'm just going to do this side. Let's just see. Did I get the right color for one thing? The color I got is 20B, light beige. Let's just see if it makes that much of a difference. I just kind of smooth it out and then tap it out. Now keep in mind I already have concealer on. I feel like I still have real darkness there, but I didn't sleep well, and I haven't for the past few nights. What do y'all think? Is it the right color match? I'm going to use a different finger and kind of take some of it back off. Do you think it's the right color match? I feel like there's not a whole lot of difference between this and this. So we'll see when I don't have anything else on. How does this do? It also feels a little bit drying, to be honest with y'all. We'll see. I won't be returning these, but so I will tell you that I'm just going to, I don't even know why I put that back in this little case then, because I'm not going to return any of this. Sometimes I do if it's from the drugstore, because they allow you to, and I will if they allow you to. Let me just keep all these over here. Okay. What else did I get? I got this little, I think this came with it. This is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Lash Paint. I think this was a kind of a sample size that you can keep in your purse. And, which is good. And when you get these cute little packages like this, That's great to hold on to for when you're traveling to put jewelry in. So I'll probably keep that. Anyway, here's the little tiny size, and let's see if they match the brush so you can get a real feel for what it's like. Yes, they did, which is a teethy versus a spoolie brush. It's more of a teethy brush. I don't have a smell, and I will try that out when I don't have anything on my eyes, because I do have on mascara. I also got my double take, which I really love, but I've noticed something lately. It was called the Tartist. Ophthalmologist tested, waterproof 12-hour double take. Is it called Tarte? It's in black. So one end is a cream gel for your waterline, and one end is a felt liquid liner. And I've noticed, no, that's not the Tarte, because it used to have the little, what's the word I want? The little leopard pattern on it. But what I've noticed, and I'm going to look at this real quick. Alright, so there's it's nice and thin, so you could use it for a thin liner or mash down a little harder and it'll be thicker. But what I noticed was let's see. Oh, it is a little bit longer. Okay, the one that I used last time, y'all, it was used up in no time. And I realized that the stick inside wasn't as long. That looks pretty good. This is great to keep in your purse because it's got both sides should you need a touch-up. And you don't want to have to carry a lot of extras. Alright, so what else did I get? This is good, real thick tissue to put inside a handbag. Don't throw those away for handbag storage. I got this palette. Don't ask me why did I get another palette. I don't know. But this is Sugar Rush Tarte. And this is the Dream On Eye and Cheek palette. So let's just get right to it and see, is it all orangey? Or is it colors I could actually use? Or is it something I want to put? It's pretty. It's a nice big case. I'll put it next to my face so you can see the size. And again, this is called Dream On. I don't think I have this one. And I would say, right off the bat, it does have some orangey ones here, and the brown is very orangey, meaning I could not use it because I have a black-brown coloring to my skin because I'm cool-toned. The blush, it looks kind of like a dusty. If you don't mind, my hands are clean if I end up giving this away. That's the color. It's very dusty. It's almost unrecognizable as a color. So, would that be good? I don't know. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. So, we will, it's got a few little smudges on it, but that's okay. I will think about whether or not I would like to use this. Again, I'm going to get a little closer. I'm trying to not get the mirror in your eye, but you see the color. I got to do it at an angle or it flashes the gold. Whoops, there. How about there? And I'll pull it back a little so you can see. These are definitely colors you can work with. The golds, this is very summery for fall. And then there you got some neutral colors in here. But the only matte color has an orange undertone. Both these. And that. All the mattes. All have a copper undertone. And that's just probably not my coloring. But I could see, or I could give it. So we'll see. Maybe I will put this as part of one of the giveaways. Y'all know that I do Bible giveaways and I always put makeup in because makeup's just fun, and that's okay. And I haven't done it for a year. Even during COVID, I didn't do it. And, sorry, I had a little fuzz. So, it just may be time for that. So, maybe I will decide, will I use any of this for that? What I can do, even on this product, is you can, if this isn't a good color for me, what you can do when you get it, if I don't keep this, is just take a knife and slice off the top. And I would always put, alcohol your knife so that you slice off any. And that's also good to use. If you use a product for a long period of time, every once in a while you need to wipe it down with the alcohol wipe. Just because they do mold. I mean, it's moist products. So we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll make this too part of it. You never know what I'm going to do. Okay. What else did I get? Oh, well, this is something, y'all, this looks like a giveaway in the happening. That's what this looks like. Yes. I think I am going to do that, y'all. Comment below if you think it's a bad idea to give away lipstick that you just saw me try on. If, when you got it, you, like I just said, use an alcohol wipe on your knife and just slice off the top. You know, you slice it at an angle so that there's no germs, which, like I said, you really should do anyway. But this would be a good little giveaway, wouldn't it? I think that would be a good giveaway, y'all. All right, the other thing that I would do with it, this would be great, the 5-minute Bible study for uncertain times. Y'all, that'd be a great one along with a Bible. What do y'all think? Comment below. Would you want this? Be honest. If you were like, Beth, I wouldn't want a lipstick you'd use, even if I just tried the color on and you sliced off the top. Because I feel like this is very moist, but y'all know that I don't really do that. And to me, it's got that same kind of a orangey tone, which isn't my tone. But for a lot of people, obviously it is, because that's what everybody seems to be using. That, and maybe these brushes. What do y'all think? Would that be a good giveaway? The only thing I think I couldn't do would be to get these back in here. Maybe I could. Maybe. Whoops. Again, never pull this down. You always go back through. And then you can put that back in here. If it will let me. It did. Looky there. Y'all, I think we just got a giveaway. Comment below if you'd like to have it. Anyway, I love you guys. Good to talk with you. Comment below how you're doing. And remember to head over to my other channel, Pure Bible. And I'll talk to you again soon.